Video annotation is used in many industries like agriculture, traffic monitoring, livestock, and sports analytics. The problem is that the process is very hard and time-consuming. One of the most effective solutions to this problem is to use AI to speed up labeling, specifically interactive segmentation models which make predictions based on user input. Today we will take a look at how you can use interactive segmentation models to your advantage for video annotation task. Here I have an object that I'd like to annotate. Let's grab a SmartTool. If you don't have an annotation class for mask shape in your project, you should create one either through this class selection menu or from the project settings page. Now let's place a bounding box roughly around our object and we should quickly get our prediction. We can place positive and negative points as needed inside our bounding box, which will affect the model's predictions. Now we can simply press right arrow on the keyboard to copy the box with feedback points to the next frame and adjust them as needed. Let's see the result of our quick annotation. Looks good. The model that you are currently using can be selected in this drop-down menu. Also worth mentioning that if you cannot access the SmartTool for some reason, you can do the following. Go to the neural networks page, select the interactive segmentation category inside your modality and run any serving application, but you need to go into the advanced settings and select your agent that should have a GPU. If you don't have any agents, you can connect your computer as one in the clusters page. We have video guides for that. I will leave links to them in the description. Thank you for watching.